Welcome back to the final chapter of our Foundational Web Development Project series. In Part 1, we mapped out the architectural theoretical core of the modern web. In Part 2, we structured and styled a fully responsive developer profile card using semantic HTML5 and Flexbox alignment. Today, in Part 3, we complete the trilogy by injecting dynamic JavaScript interactivity directly into our component. We begin by connecting our external JavaScript file to our HTML document using the script tag placed right before the closing body tag. This ensures that the entire DOM tree is fully parsed and available in memory before our script executes, avoiding null reference errors when targeting elements. Once our script is linked, we select our target interactive element, the follow button, using the native document.querySelector method. We store this DOM node reference inside a constant variable to keep our memory allocation clean and optimized. Next, we attach an event listener to the button node, specifying the standard click event as our trigger. Inside the callback event handler function, we establish a conditional statement to manage the internal state of the element. We check whether the current text content or active state class is set to following. If the card is currently in its default state, our script dynamically updates the text content to following, toggles an active class on the element to trigger modern CSS color transformations, and increments our live profile follower count variable. If clicked again, our conditional logic cleanly reverts the state and updates the DOM in real time. By combining semantic markup, responsive layout structures, and event-driven JavaScript logic, you now possess a fully functional, production-ready web component ready for deployment. Now that our profile card trilogy is complete, which JavaScript feature would you like to see integrated into our next project series? Live API data fetching or local storage theme toggles? See you on the next video. Bye.